Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Yes, today I'm going to teach you about the farm animals. Yes, farm animals. You want to learn? Yes, the first farm animal is duck. The first farm animal is a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Yes, the second farm animal is dog. The second farm animal is dog. And the third farm animal it is cow. They are used to stay in a farm. Even it is called as a pet animal. Yes. Cow, dog and duck. These three are the farm animals. They are the farm animals. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, with the quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow bow you, with a bow bow there. Here a bow, there a bow, everywhere a bow bow. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo you, with a moo moo there. Here a move, there a move, everywhere a move, move. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You like it? Very good. Bye.